Bert and Kid, Episode 14, The Lion Tamer. Bert loved watching the circus. Kid loved watching it too. In fact, Kid wanted to be in it. Kid wanted to be an acrobat. He also wanted to be a tightrope walker. Soon a lion was led into the ring. Everyone got very quiet. The lion was large and scary. The lion groaned and roared. A man stepped in front of the lion. The man was holding the chair. He was a lion tamer. The lion groaned at the lion tamer. The lion roared at the lion tamer. But the lion tamer was not afraid. "Sit down," said the lion tamer. The lion sat down. Roar over, said the lion tamer. The lion roared over. Bert whispered Kid, "I would love to be in the circus. But I would not want to do that."